Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate and how to use the GUI as a basic navigation in Blender 2.92. This is Blender 2.92 at the beginning. It will show you this screen for as a beginner you just need to click at the side. It will automatically disappear. So by using the mouse scroll, you can zoom in and zoom out. If you press the middle button of your mouse, then you can rotate. If you hold the shift and then you press your mouse click, then you can drag it. Alright, for mouse middle buttons, it is rotating. Hold the shift, you are moving the screen. Alright, for moving an object, you just need to click and select, and you can click move. Next, you can move it. If you click this, you can move it. The Z and X planes. Alright, just be very simple. If you click here, you can rotate your object. If you want to resize or rescale it, you can click here. Control Z is to undo. Or you can press S and click. If you suddenly press S, then you can drag and resize it. Alright, these are the basic navigations. Then here you can see your scene collections. If you create another mesh, for example, a UV sphere, it will be here. So if you click this cube, the cube is selected. You also can select from here. It is selected. You can see here, you have the layout, you have the modeling. There are different modes. There are sculpting. Sculpting, you can just use some tools to sculpt your models. See? And here is the UV editing. You can add some texture. And always remember, to show the texture, you have to click here. This is very important. Here is to show the texture. The sculpting, you also have to click here to show the texture. This is the wireframe. See? This is a sculpting. You have different brush. Of course, this is selected, and this cube is not selected. If you want to select it, you come back to the layout, select the cube, and go to sculpting mode. Automatic, it will be selected. So now you cannot paint on the sphere. You only can paint on the cube because of the cube is selected. Select anything in the layout mode, and you can go to other modes. The texture pane. Now you don't have any of the UV, so you cannot. You need to add a texture. Go to the UV editing, and here, base color. You can click here to select the image texture, and open. Then you are going to open an image, and you can wrap the texture. So for UV editing, I'm going to discuss in the next video in more details about the UV editing. So for today's tutorial, we just focus on the basic navigation and basic GUI, graphic user interface of the Blender. So this one, the texture already changed. So another mode is the modeling mode. Once you already select a model, under your modeling, here you can select a point and move the point. See, you can move the point, or you can click here to select a surface and move the surface. Here you also can select a line and just to move that line. Alright, these are the basic navigation of the modeling modes. That is actually the edit modes. Or you can extrude as well. You can extrude a surface here. Let's say I click here so that I can choose a surface selected, and I can extrude the surface. These are the basic navigations. You can extrude as many as you want, or you can press E to extrude it out. Any of the surface you can extrude. So these are the basic navigation, basic graphic user interface for modeling in Blender. Alright, the sculpting. Of course, you can sculpt it. You can make it. You can create a lot of things. If under the modeling mode, you can also click a surface and press delete. And delete the faces as well. Now you can see there is a hole there. So a lot of all of this. So as a beginner, if today is your first day to use the Blender 2.92, I hope that this tutorial will be a good starting for you. And that's all for today about the really basic navigations and really basic graphic user interface introduction for you. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing and 3D modeling, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell to activate the notification so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy animation, happy modeling, and game developing. See you.